you on our channel, Adolf, Yurev and our team. So guys, so to say, that is all. Out with all chisels, no chisels, Kirschons, Narxes, Faili, Tetyanki and so on. We do carving only. All this we've done specially to draw a parallel. Not because someone is better and someone is worser, we showed the reality, what is worth paying and what is not. And further, let's move to our standard program that is carving. We continue Nards cycle. Let's go, friends. No chisels at all. Everything is exclusively for our job. Hello, hello, we continue. So, we formed such a setting. In such case, what we do? Let's work on the position solely. It is the central part, as I showed before, the central beaten. It's more appropriate to use here a bit smaller size. With a bit smaller size with a feather edge. We pull up with a bit smaller diameter. Here we have a bit smaller. So approximately for yourself, we've got exactly the center. We work inside from the center. Like that. Now you'll understand why do we need a feather edge. Now here you need to clean it with a tap without doubt. Notch. Thus we formed such a clean crater. What do we do now? As far we have an edge pulled forward. Accordingly, you understand that it is better, it will be perfect here. For that to end, we work from the center to the corner. Like that. You see? We do notching and notching. So we have, as we showed before, the central part, as showed before, we notch here. To this center solely. You will have a peculiar thing like octopus. We clear out here accordingly. Now we take smaller and work here. Thus with separate corners you work to the deep. Now you do the notching. We clear out once again a notching. It's cleaner here. Of course, afterwards you check everything whether it is clean or not. Then it is to be rounded off. This defective part we notch. At the end, right here. At the end, you clear out everything. Next, when we have such a position, we take a feather edge and show from the inside elegantly a little bit inside. again elegantly from all four sides. We do the notching, creating a certain volume. Accordingly, in here we have a formed body. What we can do to form it? We can do a branching from such deep position. I mean here, this is a branching. I mean here and there, counting further, here we show done, therefore done, that's like that, done, there is nothing dangerous that we have such a crack. We have taps for this, with the help of which we clean out. So have a look at these four fragments and you see what we've done and how we've done it with the help of feather edges. We worked from the center to the center from four existing sides. Thus we cracked the center, which we can develop further. Then we worked a position from the center to the corner part with a feather edge from all four sides. Next we cleaned it out with a tap, highlighting exactly these parts. Next, left parts we worked branchy from all four sides. We modified these parts and got such branching. Then these inside parts, these positions, we showed in channels from the inside with a feather edge. We cleaned out along the whole circumference. Thus we have the following figure as we needed. Then we clean out. After all the cycle is done, we do the shadowing. I warn you, in no case, it doesn't matter what color you choose, you shouldn't tone with one color, because automatically it will lose its effect and showiness, which you wanted to get. You shouldn't fill all the positions in one way. Once again, I will say, that such position you can do here, next those, like this. Next to those two parts, you can use another decoration. And here also another one. And also you can link here and here, you can do the same decoration. Here is another decoration. So, as I said before, there are a lot of variants of location of decorations. They make our work be original and unique. We viewed such a variant today. Continue further, friends. Further, we'll discuss another cycle. We'll discover the central part. We'll see another nards, another positions of decoration. We move to this side part. Why I said this? These are two completely different hard nard boxes. Here you can see they are different. You can see here one pattern, there another one. This is the same wooden size for you to understand. Here you can see that they are of the same size. There is such conception, by the way. I was in the Yanevsky Institute with my team. What is the point? Boys face the same issue. When they notch the same pattern, they get bored. That's why, when you are bored, enjoy changing the patterns of different products you do. You put different two products and change them. You need to prepare them at once and change whenever you want. This is my recommendation. Best regards from Adolf, Yurev and his team. Watch further, it's interesting. Subscribe to our channel, like our videos and write comments. And friends, pay attention, no more instruments, current only. All you need, you saw. All we wanted to show you, we showed. That's all. Bye to everyone. All further lessons will be done in another format, in the corporations, in the open space, lessons with people, with students. Like us and subscribe.